How to uninstall Snapchat without deleting data. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to uninstall Snapchat, your account data like friends, chats, and memories are saved on Snapchat's servers. So uninstalling the app does not delete your account or any of the data inside it. So how you can uninstall Snapchat without deleting your data? Just simply uninstall the app normally as you do from your phone via your home screen or your settings. Just simply go ahead and tap and hold on to this application, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and the app will be uninstalled from your device. And when you reinstall and log back in, all of your data like friends, memories, or chats will still be there. So uninstalling the app only removes it from your device, not your account. To delete your account and data, you must do it separately via Snapchat's account settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.